So this is Playa Piskado. Over here, there's a lot of turtles swimming about. It's a good beach area. Behind me, there's like parking over here if you want to come to Curacao. That's the bathroom. Some filleted fish over here. Who knows why? A friendly pelican. Hi, pelican. Oh, it looks like a baby because you see the downy feathers on it. A lot of people are snorkeling and also scuba diving as well. There's a scuba diver there. Another shorebird here. Very natural around Curacao. Lots of scuba divers, snorkelers. So what they're doing now is looking at sea turtles, or trying to find them. They buzz around in and out. I guess the turtles are looking for scraps or jellyfish. Look at the view around you. Pretty nice. Still looking. They're still looking. Maybe they do find something, but I can't see from here. It's an enjoyable time, really relaxing. It's been raining around here, November 28-ish.